You're going to try and climb it? No. Where's the other tree? Where's another tree?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Find me another tree. Where's another tree? What have you found? Wow, what have you found? A root. I don't think that's coming up, little boy. It's a root. That's dirt, thank goodness. I thought that might have been something a dog left, but it's not. You got a stick. 2 sticks. Toby loves the park, even when it's a rubbish day. Oh, look, some sunshine. Come into the sunshine. Come in the sunshine. You've got the hiccups, haven't you? Look, what have we found? What's this? A tree to hug. Oh, hello tree. Hello tree. Hello tree. You tell it. Yeah, bash, bash, bash. You're drumming on the tree. Drum that tree, drum that tree. Are you shouting to the tree? Yeah. Oh, bye-bye stick. You just want to hit it with your hands. Bye-bye tree.
Bye-bye tree.
Bye-bye tree. Look at this big stick. Wow! That's bigger than you. You're trying to put it back in the tree. Whoa. You're gonna bash me with it. Right, we're going the wrong way. Our car is the other way. We have to turn around. And when we get a parking ticket, say bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye.